Anza watoto kutoka pale nyumbani waweze kutuweka kwa maombi 0785102102 0704102102. Radio Vuna. Yes, Brian. Kutuweka kwa maombi asubuhi ya leo kama ilivyo ama kama kawaida tunazidi kushiriki ama kusoma ni Tusome Sasa, na kama sio sasa ni sasa hivi. Baada tunaweza kupata ombi na wakaribisha watoto wote, watoto studioni, watoto wangu studioni na wasalimu hamjambo. Na sasa tunajua ya kwamba wako hapa na watoto wangu wa nyumbani pale, wale wanafunzi ambao wanazidi kutufuata kutoka maeneo ya nyumbani pale sehemu mbalimbali, tunawaambia ni asante sana. Kama kawaida watoto wawili waweze kutukaribishia wageni studioni ama waweze kukaribisha watoto wengine ndani ya Tusome Sasa, ndani ya Sifu na Vuna, ni ndani ya Radio Vuna 102.0 FM kama ilivyo kawaida. Radio Vuna, Vuna Radio. Yes. Poa sana. Nani anazungumza? Nani anazungumza? Haya, huyo amekwisha potea. Nani mwingine ambaye atakaye tukaribisha sisi kama watoto wa Sifu na Vuna, watoto wa Tusome Sasa, ili tuweze kusoma kwa pamoja? Nani yule ambaye atatukaribisha? Nani yule atatukaribisha hapa studioni? Lakini na wakaribisha wanafunzi wangu hapa studioni. Labda nitaanzia wapi? Sijui nianzie wapi. Kuna yule ambaye ananismailia vizuri sana. Nianze kwako, uambie watu majina ya kwako, kisha uwaeleze jinsi ambavyo umeamkaje tukianzia kipindi.
Kwa majina ni Peter Rama. Nimeamka vizuri, asante.
Haya, ukaribisha watoto wenzako wale ambao wanakusikiza. Na next.
Kwa majina naitwa Salama Magota.
Uko darasa la ngapi?
Pepetu Diamonds.
Unasoma wapi?
Rayama Academy.
Asante. Hebu karibisha watoto wengine hapa studioni. Karibisha wote ambao wanakusikiza mami. Mwambie karibu.
Karibu.
Haya, tuko kwako pale.
Kwa majina naitwa John Mamboleo. Nasoma katika shule ya Rema. Niko grade ya 4 na nawakaribisha nyote.
Asanteni sana. Asanteni sana. Kama kawaida na kama ilivyo desturi, sisi tunasema wageni wakifika sisi tunapona. Wenyeji tunafanya nini? Tumepona sasa hivi. Tukianza sasa, siku ya jana tuliweza kuzungumza kuhusu nini? Jana tulizungumzia nini? Lishe bora. Tukasema lishe bora ni nini?
Lishe bora ni chakula ambacho kuna chakula zote kuu, protini, wanga na vitamini.
Peter, wewe unapenda kula vyakula vipi?
Matunda, ugali, na mboga.
Kwa nini unapenda kula hivyo vyakula?
Vinanipea nguvu. Na nisikuwe mgonjwa.
Okay, asante sana. Salome, unapenda kula nini mami?
Ugali, mboga, na maembe.
Wow, unapenda maembe sana. Unaambia mami ukija, mami niletee maembe. Ni kweli? Haya, asante sana. Tumeweza kujua nini kile ambacho tuliweza kupitia jana. Na sijui mlipofika pale nyumbani mambo leo, uliweza kupractice nini pale nyumbani kama tulivyosoma jana kuhusu lishe bora?
Jana wakati mama alitoka sokoni, nilimwambia leta toshes hayo matunda kwanza ndio tule.
Asante sana. Peter, wewe uliweza kufanya nini?
Niliosha yale matunda alafu nikayala.
Hiyo ni mzuri sana. Salome, ulifanya nini?
Nilikuwa nacheza.
Ulikuwa unacheza? Wow, lakini hukukula chakula na mikono michafu, sivyo? Asante sana. Asante sana, manake najua hata watoto pale nyumbani ama wanafunzi pale nyumbani waliweza kuyazingatia yale ambayo tulisoma na kisha wakafanya nini? Kisha wakaweza kuyafuata ama kusaidia wazazi practice kile ambacho tulisoma. Siku ya leo tulisema nini? Tunaenda kujifunza nini? Nani anakumbuka?
Keep right, keep left.
Thank you. Salome?
Keep right, keep left.
Peter?
Keep right, keep left.
Asante sana. Natumai ya kwamba mtoto pale nyumbani ama mwanafunzi ambaye anatupata leo tulisema tunazungumzia keep right, keep left. Siku ya leo ya Jumapili ni tarehe ngapi? Tarehe 3 mwezi ni wa 4 mwaka ni wa 2022. Nawaambia nyote karibuni kwa hii siku ya leo. Salome, ukiambiwa keep right, keep left, ni nini huwa kwa nini unaambiwa hivyo? Kwa nini unafaa kuangalia pande zote? Why should you look on both sides before maybe you cross the road?
Pikipiki inaweza kukugonga.
Yes, Peter.
Matagari. Matatu.
Na pikipiki. Yes, mambo leo.
So that you can ensure you don't get an accident.
Thank you very much. So, in today's lesson, what do you expect? What do you expect, mambo leo?
I expect that when there is a story, they will tell us more about accidents which might happen, or even how you can prevent yourself from accidents.
Thank you very much. And today we are going to talk about keep left, keep right. So my children back at home, keep left, keep right. So that let us all listen. I know our teachers are going to teach us more from the studio, and then later on we are going to ask questions and answer as well. Thank you very much. I welcome you all. Let's listen to our story.
My name is Bahati.
All right. Hello, Lana. Today, we will learn about keeping left and keeping right on the road. Lana, what do you know about keeping safe on the road? Answer when you hear the music. I hope you've answered. McKenna, what do you know about keeping safe on the road?
I know that you should avoid walking near a moving car.
That is good, McKenna. What about you, Bahati?
I know you should cross the road when there is no car.
That's a good point, Bahati. When we walk on the road, we need to keep safe. We should look right, look left, look right again. When the road is clear, it is safe to cross. Let's say it together.
We
should look right,
look left, look right again.
When the road is clear, it is safe to cross.
Great! Let's listen to a short song.
Look right, look left, look right again. If the road is clear, it's safe to cross, to cross. Left, look right again. If the road is clear, it's safe.
That was a nice song. Look right, look left, look right again. If the road is clear, it's safe to cross the road. Now, talking about safety, let's listen to Captain T.
I can't wait to be back in school.
Me too, but will it be safe?
I hope so. COVID is still around and I don't want to catch it and give it to my grandma. Captain Tumaini!
Hey kids, I can see you wearing your masks.
Yes, covering our mouths and noses.
Are you keeping your social distance?
Yes, 3 good steps away from each other.
And remember, when you get to school, wash your hands with
soap and clean running water. But what if other people are not following these rules?
When we see people not following the rules, we need to remind them if we want to keep schools open.
We're just children. We can't tell people what to do.
Yes, we can. If I see anyone not wearing a mask, I'll wave to them and point to my mask to remind them. Yeah, and you don't even have to shout, "Hey, put on your mask."
Social distancing ni a must.
Message brought to you by the government of Kenya with the support of USAID.
Before we listen to the story, let's talk about some of the words we may come across. Write these words down. Are you ready? The first word is safe. Safe, spelled S-A-F-E. Safe. Have you written the word safe? Good. Do you know what the word safe means? What does the word safe mean, McKenna?
Safe is to be out of danger.
How about you, Bahati?
I think McKenna is right, teacher. Being safe means one is out of danger.
Those are good answers, McKenna and Bahati. Safe means to be out of danger. Someone is safe when they are protected from danger. Bahati, where should you walk on the road?
Teacher, I usually walk on the side of the road.
McKenna, why should people walk on the side of the road?
Because there are no cars on the side of the road.
Aha, very good. It is safe to walk on the side of the road, not in the middle of the road. Use the sidewalk or walk on the edge of the road facing oncoming traffic. Lana, write down the second word. Actually, they are 2 words. Keep right. Keep and right. Spelled K-E-E-P. That is keep. Then R-I-G-H-T. Right. Lana, have you written the words keep right? Good. Let's do a very small exercise. Lana, Raise your right hand after the gong. Good. McKenna and Bahati have raised their right hands. So, write this word down. Keep right. Keep right. McKenna, what does keep right mean?
Walking on the right side of the road.
That is good. Keep right means walking on the right side of the road. This way, you will be safe on the road. Today's story is keep left or right. What do you think we shall learn about keeping left or right?
I think it is about walking on the side of the road.
Let's find out.
To keep left or right? Roads have cars, buses, and lorries. They also have people who walk on foot. Those who drive cars, buses, and lorries are called motorists. Pedestrians are those who walk along the road. Walking keeps people fit. Sometimes you walk to the doctor's clinic or the tailor's shop. Should people keep left or right when walking along the road? In Kenya, cars drive on the left-hand side of the road. There are many road signs which remind drivers to keep left. However, there are no signs to tell people which side of the road to walk along. Lana, pedestrians are people walking on the side of the road. So, when walking to school, you are a pedestrian. What side of the road do you walk along? Listen to this. Walking on the right side of the road keeps you safe. While walking, you will be facing oncoming traffic as you go up and down the road. When I hear a vehicle coming behind me, I'll not feel safe. I only feel safe when I see the vehicles pass as they face me on the road. Why does this feel safe? If a driver is too near to the edge of the road, you can step out of the way. This is possible because you and the driver can see each other clearly. Walking in the same direction as the cars is not safe. You keep looking behind anytime a car hoots. You become afraid if there is any sound behind you. Keep yourself safe. Respect traffic rules always. This way, you will be safe on the road. Always keep right when walking along the roads in Kenya.
Wow! Now we know pedestrians should walk on the right-hand side of the road. Lana, what else did you learn today? Answer when you hear the music. Bahati, what have you learned from what you've heard?
I have learned that a person walking on the road is called a pedestrian.
How about you, McKenna?
I have learned that I should walk on the side facing oncoming vehicles.
Aha! I can see you've really learned something today. Remember, we should walk on the right side of the road. Cars, buses, and lorries are the ones which should keep left. When walking, use the sidewalk or walk on the edge of the road facing oncoming traffic. Also, remember to look at the road as you walk and do not play on the road. Now it's question time. Lana, be ready to answer some questions. Question 1. Lana, which side of the road should we walk along? Which side of the road should we walk along? Answer when you hear the music. McKenna, we start with you. Which side of the road should we walk along?
On the right side.
Correct. We should walk on the right side of the road. When we walk on the right side of the road, we are able to see oncoming vehicles. Question 2. Why is it not safe to walk with cars coming from behind? Why is it not safe to walk with cars coming from behind? Bahati, why is it not safe to walk with cars coming from behind?
Because a car can hit you, especially when you cannot see it.
That's correct. The car can hit you from behind since you cannot see it. Question 3. Why do you think walking is important? Lana, why do you think walking is important? Answer when you hear the music. Why do you think walking is important, McKenna?
Walking is important because it keeps us fit.
That's right. Lana, this is your take-home activity. With the help of your guardian or parent, search the internet for ways to keep safe on the road. With the help of your guardian or parent, search the internet for ways to keep safe on the road. Write down what you learn, then come and share with your classmates.
Look right, look left, look right again. If the road is clear, it's safe to cross, to cross. Left, look right again. If the road is clear, it's safe.
It's now time for Captain T.
Baraka, are you okay?
My parents told me Naya's grandmother tested positive for COVID.
What about Naya?
I hope she's okay.
Hi kids, dealing with COVID in our homes is a reality. If Naya's grandmother has COVID, then Naya needs to keep away from others until her grandmother has recovered and it's safe for Naya to come out.
Do they have to go to the hospital?
Most people who have COVID do not have to go to the hospital if they are not very sick.
So they can stay home?
Yes, as long as Naya and her grandmother are following the guidelines for treating COVID at home. They should avoid direct contact, maintain physical distance, and wear masks at all times.
Maybe to help, we can sing a song outside where she can hear us, or draw a picture, or write a letter.
Great idea, Elsa. Singing outside with a mask on would be fun and safe.
Hey, I have the best voice. Now I'm gonna
Keep practicing, Baraka, and let's be sure to welcome Naya and other kids back to play when it is safe for them to do so.
Now I'm gonna social distancing ni amas.
Message brought to you by the government of Kenya with the support of USAID.
Today, we learned about who should keep left or right on the road. The pedestrians should walk along the right side of the road. This is safe for the pedestrian. Thank you for listening. Always remember to keep right when walking on the road. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.
That was Tusome Stories, an English storytelling program for grade 1 to 3. In this program, your radio teacher was
George Monwa,
McKenna was,
Wanjiko Karaoke,
and Bahati was.
E.J. Washington.
The program was written and edited by the English Language Media Panel. It was recorded by John Beefy, George Mlanga, Cindy Katumbi, Anthony Mukiti, Aksa Chalo, and produced by Zachary Kago for the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development. This program was made possible with support from the U.S. Agency for International Development USAID and Ministry of Education through the Tusome Early Grade Reading Activity. Until next time, from all of us.
Good. Learners in the studio, did you enjoy the program?
Yes.
So we are going to know from you whether if you at all you enjoyed the program. What did you learn today? I also hope that learners from home, our learners back at home, you really did enjoy the program. You've learned how to keep right, keep left, and now it's your time. I'll start with my learners here in the studio. I start from you, Peter. Peter, what have you learned today?
I've learned how to close the road. You look right and left.
Salome, I'm on you. What have you learned today?
I've learned to cross the road.
Wow, mambo leo. John, what did you learn from our today's program?
I have learned that when the car is coming towards you, you should stand when after it passes, then you pass. Then you cross the road.
Wow. I'm on you, Salome. As a pedestrian, where are we supposed to walk? Yes. Yes, Peter.
On the left side.
On the left side? Who is going to answer? Yes, Mambo Leo.
On the side of the road.
On the side of the road. We are supposed to walk on the side of the road. Why are we supposed to walk on the side of the road? Yes, John.
So that the car which is coming behind you, the car which is coming in the middle, when it loses control, you must look if the car is coming from this side, you just go and you are walking like in the other side, you are going in front. When the car is going backwards, you just walk to the back.
Okay. So in cars, where
so that the car cannot hit you.
Yes, thank you very much, John. Who is going to tell us why cars drive on the right side? Peter? Are you going to tell us? Who is going to tell us? Yes, John.
Because when the car drives on the left side, the left side the cars going behind. The right side the cars are going in front. When you go with the left side, your car will get a car crash.
Yes, thank you very much. I can see you really followed. Salome, can you tell us why walking is important? Kwa nini tunatembea? Mbona kutembea ni muhimu? Yes, Peter.
When walking, it's important to walk on the roadside.
Okay, Peter, I was asking why are we supposed to walk as human beings? Why do we walk? Why do we walk and not all the time that tuko kwa gari? Mbona tutembee? Inatusaidia aje?
hata kutembea tu ufike hapo juu tena urudi. It's important.
Yes, John, I can see your hand is up.
It makes you fit and you will exercise by walking.
Thank you very much, my learners in the studio. Now to my learners, our learners back at home, our listeners, where are you? I want you to tell me, what did you learn today? Have you learned something today that is going to help you? And with a few questions, what have you learned today? Learners from home, 0704 102 102, 0785 102 102. Actually, let's not forget that we are live on our YouTube channel, that is Vuna TV. For those ones who want to see how Salome looks like, the junior Salome, that is, and who wants to see how Peter looks, who wants to see how John looks, who wants to see how teacher Salome looks. Who is this? Vuna TV. That is where you are going to see us live. Radio Vuna.
Hello?
Yes. How are you? Okay. Who is going to learn us from home? Please, we want you to tell us, what have you learned today? Why is it important to walk? Radio Vuna?
Hello?
Yes, Radio Vuna.
Hello?
Mzuri sana. Yes, what have you learned today?
We have learned that
Mm-hmm.
pedestrians are going to walk road.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Why is it important for us to walk?
so that we will not
Yes. And why are we not supposed to walk? Why are we not supposed to walk? Or from which side are we supposed to walk? And
on the side of the road.
why is it not safe for us to walk with cars coming from behind? Why is it not safe to walk with cars coming from behind? Kwa nini hatufai kutembea magari yakitoka nyuma yetu? Yes, thank you very much. Yes, you are welcome. I can see my learners back at home are really following. Who else is going to tell us why is it necessarily, why we use the sidewalks and not on the road, just with how the cars are walking? Do cars walk, John?
No,
What do?
they move.
They move. Yeah, you see. I can see my student here is really following. Radio Vuna. Mzuri sana. Niko salama. Ni nani huyu? Angel. Kutoka wapi? Uko darasa la ngapi, mama? PP1. What is the name of your school? Wow. So what have you learned today? Tutembee. Kwa nini tutembee, tusikae tu? Thank you very much. Na tunafaa kutembea side gani ya barabara? Kando ya barabara. Kwa nini? Unawaambiaje? Asante sana, Angel. That is very nice. Very good. She's really following. Who is going to tell us what she or he has learned this morning so that we can finish up? I can see we have like 9 minutes to finish our class for today. And don't forget that we'll keep on asking, why do we walk on the right side of the road? Why are we not supposed to walk on the side? Or why are we not supposed to walk while cars are moving from behind us? Why is it important for us to walk? At some point, John,
Yes?
have you ever helped someone cross the road?
Yeah.
How did you find it? Did this person come to you, or you saw that this person has difficulties and you helped?
I I saw he has a difficulty walking.
What was the problem?
He was blind.
Wow, he was blind. That is so kind of John mambo leo. Salome, umewahi saidia mtu kuvuka barabara ama ni wewe ama we mtu amekusaidia? Nani alikusaidia? Mami alikusaidia. Ukienda wapi? Ulikuwa unaenda wapi mami? Town. Wow. Mami is so nice. Clap for mami. Yes. Peter, at some point, kuna mtu ambaye amekusaidia kuvuka barabara ama umesaidia mtu kuvuka barabara? Umesaidiwa. Ukienda wapi?
Mtoni.
Ukienda mtoni. Peter can go to the river. Wow. Alikuja aliona umeteseka sana, ulimwambia akikuja unisaidie. Alikuona umeteseka kama kuja kusaidie. That is good. And you, John?
Yes.
Wewe ushawahi saidiwa?
Yeah.
Na nani?
Na brother mkubwa.
Brother yako mkubwa. Wow. Bravo to your elder brother. Alikuja akakusaidia aje?
Nilikuwa nataka kuvuka kwenda kusaidia aunti yangu kubeba maji kutoka mtoni.
Okay.
Akakuja akaniona nimeshindwa kuvuka kabisa, akaniambia nikusaidie, nikamwambia
So ukiona, when you see Peter, when you see maybe at some point you have difficulties on crossing the road and maybe you're seeing a car is really coming, what are you supposed to do? Are you supposed to run very fast or you stand still and wait?
I stand looking right and left.
Salome, what are you supposed to do? Ukiona gari inakuja mbio na unavuka, unafanya nini? Unakimbia tu sema hata ikinigonga itanilipa, atajua mama yangu ni nani, atajua dadi ni nani. Is that what you say?
No.
What are you supposed to do?
You stand and look right and left.
Yes, thank you very much, Salome. Yes, John, I'm on you. What are you supposed to do? You rush, You rush and say, I know my mom will take you to the police if you hit me.
No.
Or if you hit me, you are going to pay me.
No. I just stand and wait.
You wait.
Yes, until the road will to be clear.
That is so nice of my learners. Can see they are really following. They are really following. Do you have any question that you want to ask?
Yes.
What is the question?
The question is, when you're crossing the road, and if there are more cars, but there is a jam, and the other side there are many cars coming, should you go or stand there?
Yes, that is a good question. I can answer it by saying, you stand still, wait for the cars. Maybe if at all the roads are two, maybe for the ones where vehicles are in a jam,
yes,
you cross, you stand on the side way of the other road, and then you wait, you stand still and wait for the cars to move. When there are no vehicles, you cross, or if you cannot, you ask for assistance. You can see someone and ask, hi, how are you? Please, will you mind helping me cross the road? This person, I know people are very kind enough, they will be able to help you. Again, don't just say, nisaidie kuvuka, or help me cross the road. No, just say hi to someone first, and then a request. That is a request. You request this person, please help me cross the road, and this person is going to help you. Salome, do you have a question?
No.
Peter, do you have a question?
No.
Okay. Why not asking me if I've ever helped someone to cross the road, or someone has ever helped me? No one is asking me a question. I also cross the roads. Okay, let me ask you a question, since you don't have a question for me. Well, in Kenya,
Yeah.
what hand do cars keep?
In Kenya, when you're driving, when you're driving going to Nairobi, and a person from Nairobi is driving to Kisii, should keep left in the left side of the road, not the roadside. Then the road is divided into two parts, the left side and the right side. Now the right side is for the person going, and the person who is coming back should take the left side.
Wow, John, that is a bravo for you. That is so nice. So say cars in Kenya drive on the right side. What did I say?
Cars in Kenya drive in the right side.
Yes, and pedestrians who are us as human beings, we keep safe by walking on the right hand side of the road and oncoming vehicles, oncoming vehicles, not on cars coming behind. Are you getting me?
Yes.
What did I say?
Oncoming vehicles.
Yes, oncoming vehicles. Peter? I can see we've come to the end of our lesson today, and we've learned a lot. We also know that our learners back at home are able or have been able to learn a lot. Peter?
Yes.
You've learned a lot. When you go home, what are you going to tell Mommy?
I have learned how to crossing the road. You keep right and left.
Yes. Salome, what are you going to tell Mom? Utaambiaje Mami umesoma nini?
I've learned about crossing the road.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes, John?
I will tell Mom that I have learned if you are crossing the road, you should look right, left, then right and left again. If the road is clear, I mean, you proceed.
Okay. Thank you very much for today's lesson. Thank you, my learners in the studio. Thank you, my learners back at home, for your time. We also thank the Kisii County Youth Development Forum for giving us the support to be able to have this program here this time on Radio Vuna 102.0 FM. Until next time, that is tomorrow, same time, same place, I say bye-bye and see you. Don't forget that when you get home, ask your parent to help you know ways to keep safe. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Yes. And tomorrow we are going to learn about usalama wa wanafunzi. What are we going to learn tomorrow?
Usalama kwa wanafunzi.
Usalama wa wanafunzi. That is what we are going to learn tomorrow. Until next time, I tell you goodbye.
Bye.
Baraka, are you okay?
My parents told me Naya's grandmother tested positive for COVID.
What about Naya?
I hope she's okay.
Hi kids, dealing with COVID in our homes is a reality. If Naya's grandmother has COVID, then Naya needs to keep away from others until her grandmother has recovered and it's safe for Naya to come out.
Do they have to go to the hospital?
Most people who have COVID do not have to go to the hospital if they are not very sick.
So they can stay home?
Yes, as long as Naya and her grandmother are following the guidelines for treating COVID at home. They should avoid